Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Release the hood from the inside, and then we'll reach under here, push the lever up for the safety catch, and then lift the hood up. It has struts. There's no hood prop rod. To remove the grille, there are 4 10mm bolts along the top. They do have a Phillips head cutout in them, but I'm going to use a 10mm socket extension and ratchet to remove them. Once those are removed, there are 2 push clips on either side on the top. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver to pry up that clip. And if these are loose enough, once they're popped up, they'll come right out. Do the same for both sides. To remove the grille, it actually sits over these white grommets, so it's not going to want to move this way, so you're going to have to pry it up, just like that. And you pull it down away from the truck. So we reach in behind. There's a tab holding the lower part of the grille in, and you have to, it's kind of like a tab, and you can push on it, push down. And with it pushed down, it should pull out like that. You're basically just pushing it down to get it unlocked off this little ridge. And then at the same time, it's pulling out of this pin down here. So I'm gonna just kind of, I need to go do the other side. Do the same thing on the passenger side. Pushed out, pull it out of the lower pin. Lift the grille up and out. I'll put that aside. Now reinstall the grille. There are 3 push clips in the bottom that will push into this metal bumper support. There's a lower locking tab. This one's really stiff. You can't get to it when you remove it. This is the upper one we push to release. So this will go into here. This will go into here. Same for both sides. I'm going to get the bottom one lined up first. And then line up the top. The same for this side. I'm going to push them in at the bottom, click into place, and push the top up over the white grommets, put the push clips back in, reinstall all the self-tapping bolts. They're just going into plastic grommets. You don't have to over tighten them. If you don't get tight, just stop. Do the same for all 4.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.